Ladies and gentlemen, John Mellencamp with special guest Al Kooper.
Once upon a time, dressed so fine, threw the bones of dime in your prime. Didn't you? The people cause they die, you're bound to fall. You thought that they were all kidding you. You used to laugh about everybody that was hanging out. Now you don't talk so loud. Now you don't seem so proud about having to be scrounging for your next year. Here we go. How does it feel? How does it feel to be on your with no direction home, in a complete unknown, like a rolling stone. Well, you go to the finest schools, all right, in this lonely, but you only got shoes to lie. See, nobody ever taught you how to live out on the street, and now you know you gotta learn. Used to work. You say you never compromise with a mystery tramp, and now you realize this cat's not selling no alibi. And you say to the vacuum, oh, here is mine. And say, do you want to make a deal? Here we go. How does it feel? How does it feel to be on your own with no direction home, in a complete unknown, like a rolling stone? Never turned around to see the frowns on the jungles and the clouds, and I came down and did that tricks for you. You never understood that it ain't no good, but you shouldn't let other people get their kicks from you. Used to ride on a home horse with your diplomat, who carried on his shoulders Siamese cat. But ain't it hard when you discover that he really wasn't well inside? After he took from you everything he could steal. How does it feel? How does it feel to be on your own? No direction home, in a complete unknown, like a rolling stone. Here we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome a great friend of mine, Mr. Ronnie Wood.
7 days, 7 more days, she'll be coming.
once I seen a smile, I ain't forgotten her eyes. She had a face like could I shine the sun in the sky. It's kissing in the valley, thieving in the alley, fighting every inch of the way, trying to be tender with somebody I remember on a night always brighter than the day. Oh, 7 days. 7 more days, then I connected, just like I expected. She'll be coming on strong. 7 more days, and all that'll be gone. Bye. Go, Booker.
everything can be replaced. Every distance is not near. So I remember every face of every man that put me here. I see my light come shining from the western to the east. Any day now, any day now, I shall be released. They say every man needs protection. They say every man must fall. But I swear I see my reflection somewhere so high above this wall. See my light come shining from the western to the east. Any day now, any day now, I shall be released. Standing next to me in this lonely crowd is a man who swears he's not to blame. Every night I hear him shout so loud, crying out that he's been framed. I see my light come shining from the western to the east. Any day now, any day now, I shall be